The post-setting powder is an HD translucent pressed setting powder. It looks white, but it's actually translucent. What it does, it hydrates, it brightens and evens out your skin. So because it's an HD product, it helps you to blur fine lines and imperfection. What it does, it gives you the perfect skin. Now if you apply the product, you can use a powder brush or you can use a powder puff. So if you decide to use a powder puff, make sure you dab away the excess because it picks up much more product and you don't want to have patches on your face. So as the name says, it's a setting powder, so you use it after the foundation to set the foundation. Make sure you dust off all the excess and you apply it and pressing it with a rolling motion. And why the circular movement? It helps the foundation stay in place. What I like about this product, it's light and soft and it's not heavy on the skin.